Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your phone to a Ford B-Max. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked. Next, activate Bluetooth on your mobile device and ensure it's discoverable. Then, navigate to the Sync System menu on your Ford B-Max's display screen. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection process, allowing your car to recognize your phone. Once in the Sync menu, select the Add Device or Pair Device option. Your car will then search for available Bluetooth devices. Locate and select your phone from the list that appears on the Sync display. A 6-digit PIN will be shown on both your phone and the car's screen. Confirm that these numbers match to proceed with the pairing. This step securely links your devices. After successful pairing, your phone is now connected to your Ford B-Max. You can now enjoy hands-free calling, receive text messages, and stream your favorite music or podcasts directly through the car's audio system. Remember to use the voice command features for safer interaction, keeping your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. This enhances your driving experience significantly. If you encounter any connection issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the Ford Sync system often resolves the problem. Also, ensure your phone's operating system is updated to its latest version for the best compatibility. For optimal performance, consider deleting any old, unused Bluetooth profiles from your car's sync system. These tips help maintain a reliable and efficient connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.